What would I say to a new designer? I would say relationships are everything. Do not underestimate a relationship. So as much work as you're putting in your portfolio and everything, remember that 50% of that is actually the relationships too. That's what gets work. It's not just your pixels and your visuals or your UX, UI, whatever it is. It's who you know, it's how you treat people, and that goes a long ways, and they'll always remember that. I'm Dan Petty, and I'm a freelance designer.
And you have a YouTube channel.
Oh, and I have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/Dan Petty.
So design schools, or if you're a self-taught designer, either way, you're learning a lot about the design processes, how to do things, and a lot of times you're so focused on that, you forget about actually being on the journey. That's the most important thing, not the end deliverable, not whether you're following the process or what you're being taught. The journey is what's the most important because it's always going to be changing, especially when you go into the industry and all the elements and criteria that you're working with are constantly changing, and they're vastly different from what you learn as a young designer. So focus on the journey, enjoy it, keep discovering things and exploring things, and you'll be good to go. My name is LAKSMHI. I live in San Francisco right now. I've been here for 4 years. I'm originally from India, and I manage a small design team at a startup who were just acquired. Super stoked.
Are you shooting? Is it 1, 2, 3, action?
You can just talk.
I think the best thing to do when you're just getting started is to work on real projects. So it's all fun and games doing like personal projects, but once you get real client with real problems that you're helping to solve, that's the only way to really learn. My name is Ron Segal. I'm a designer, freelance designer. Yeah, I guess.
You're not gonna say a YouTube channel?
and I have a YouTube channel.
Find something that you're really passionate about, like a nonprofit or a friend's company or something like that, that you can do some pro bono work for. That's real, like they're really relying on it. Somebody can benefit from that work, and you'll cover so many different problems that you don't know that you need to practice when you're doing some just practice work. When you're working for a real person or a real project and something that you really care about. I'm VLAD MAGDALIN, and I'm one of the co-founders of Webflow.
So my biggest piece of advice for someone who wants to become a designer is don't let people tell you that you can't do it regardless of your background. You don't need to go to design school, you just need to work hard. Find other people to give you inspiration and advice, and just make things and get them out there. Post them on Dribbble, ask for feedback. You'll get that feedback and you'll get better. My name is Sarah Keeley and I'm the head of product at Dribbble.
Hi, new designer. I know you're feeling like you're not good enough, and don't worry, it's going to go away. You just need to practice and keep believing in yourself, and you're going to get there. I'm Asla, and I'm a product designer at Twitter, and when I first started my job, I thought I didn't know what I was doing, but I'm doing the exact same things today, and today I feel like, you know, I know what I'm doing, and I'm sure you will get there too.
I would say that you have to niche down. Like, you gotta find the type of people you want to work with, the people that you like, and then just aim for them. That's what I do. I work with online entrepreneurs because I am an online entrepreneur. That's how I get like the best clients ever. Hi, I'm Sergio Sala. I'm a web designer. I work with online entrepreneurs, and I also run a blog. I help people travel and work.
A piece of advice I'd give to a new designer: just keep designing. Like, don't stop, you know, like there's the whole taste versus skill gap, and, you know, just keep at it. I've been doing this for 13 years, and I still struggle with creating a new design. I go through like, oh, this sucks, oh, this is awesome, oh, I'm the worst designer ever, what am I doing? And you will go through that, but if you can just keep pressing ahead and just keep practicing your skill, it's going to keep working out. My name is Matt. The internet knows me as MDS. I'm a designer. I live in Athens, Georgia.
If you're a new designer and you have the opportunity to attend a conference or a gathering with other designers, developers, totally do it. I'm Alex Nicolai. I'm a freelance designer in Atlanta. Be up if you're ever in Atlanta. I'll give you some Ritz crackers.
gotta think of. Let me know when you're rolling.
I'm rolling.
Okay.
Always use
Um,
Xbox.